G'day, I'm Jacob Bonner, and we'll be talking about the hardware section for our Arduino lux sensor. So as you can see over here, we have a 5-volt power source, which is then connected over here to the center pin of our switch. This is then connected in parallel to two LDRs. The orange one here is a 5 to 10 kilo ohm light dependent resistor. The red one over here is a 45 to 140 kilo ohm light dependent resistor, and then they are also in series with their own 5 kilo ohm resistor, and then they are both grounded out separately back to the Arduino. This yellow cord here is connected to the end of the red LDR, and this is connected back over here to the A0 analog pin. Over on this side, the orange LDR is connected to the A1 analog pin, which runs back here. And the reason for the two separate ground pins is that we found there was a lot of interference when we jumped this side back over and then back into one single ground pin, so we separated the two to increase the accuracy of our results.
My name's Lochlan Dunne, and I was in charge of most of the coding for this project. So as you can see, the yellow and the brown cables here go to the two analog ports we're using, A0 and A1. These read a value between 0 and 1024, or 1023 in this case. For example, the yellow one here, it will read the value across the known resistor as an arbitrary value, and then this is this creates a voltage which then can be turned into a resistance. Once this resistance is known, due to this being a voltage divider, we can find the resistance of the LDR. This resistance directly changes by placing a light above the LDR. This here is what we have created on the coding side. So we've got the Arduino sketch in the background there, and this program here is called processing. Basically all it does is it reads the serial monitor and displays it in a nice and easy to read function. When a light is placed over both of them, or one of them, you can see the lux changes. If the light gets further away, it drops off, and if the light gets closer, it's obviously brighter.